Here are 3 things to know for Thursday, June 27th. Today, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled hospitals in Idaho must allow emergency abortions when a woman's health is at risk, at least for now. This is despite the state's near-total abortion ban. The justices dismissed the case, sending it back to lower courts, giving the Biden administration a temporary win. However, the decision did not rule on the merits of the case. In her dissent, Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson writes, quote, "The decision is not a victory for pregnant patients in Idaho, it's a delay."
When we look at women's health and standard of care, many times that has to do with, at that time, what is looking at the health of the mother, what is the detriment, what is the care that's needed in order to preserve their life, but also the choices that they want to make.
And in a 5-4 decision, the High Court also ruled today to temporarily block a Biden administration environmental regulation. It was aimed at reducing harmful air pollution that blows downwind from one state to another.
Every teacher, every classroom in the state will have a Bible in the classroom and will be teaching from the Bible in the classroom.
Oklahoma today became the latest state to try forcing teachers to incorporate religion into classrooms. All schools across the state are to incorporate the Bible and the 10 Commandments into the curriculum. The new requirement for grades 5 through 12, effective immediately. The move comes just days after Louisiana became the first state to require all public school classrooms to display the 10 Commandments. Texas and Utah are weighing similar laws. Walgreens is finalizing a plan to fix its U.S. business that could result in closing hundreds of additional stores over the next 3 years. The drugstore chain currently runs more than 8,600 stores in the U.S. The CEO says the company's plan could include the closing of roughly 2,100 underperforming stores if they don't improve. Company leaders say they've already closed 2,000 locations over the last decade.